Hey there guys, this is Unknown from Greedytech, and in this video we are going to do gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Samsung Galaxy M11. Now before we start, let's look at the benchmark scores. Now here's the current setup. There are two huge lights on either side and there's an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is at 27 degrees. Now let's check the phone's temperature. On the front it's 31 degrees. On the bottom it is 31 once again. On the back it is 31 again. And on the bottom it is 31. The phone currently has 88% battery. Let's start the stopwatch and start with Asphalt 9. As we see here, the display and the visuals look slightly pixelated. It doesn't look that great, but the overall gameplay is pretty smooth and the controls are also pretty smooth. So in that regard, the game is pretty fine. And visually it's not that appealing, but otherwise the game is pretty fine. I couldn't notice any lag either. It's been 10 minutes since we have been playing the game. Let's check the temperature. On the front it is 35 degrees. On the bottom it is 33 degrees. On the back it is 37 degrees. And on the bottom it is 34 degrees. 33, 34. Next, let's play Call of Duty.
We tied for the lead. Enemy in sight. Changing mag. I got shot. Reloading. We've taken the lead.
So Call of Duty gameplay is really nice and the visuals also look good. It's not great, it's not bad. It's good and I didn't notice any lag and the gameplay was pretty smooth. The controls were pretty smooth. Overall, the game is playable.
Target's in sight. Changing mag. Cover me. I got shot.
So it's been 10 minutes. Let's check the temperature. It's 36 to 37 on front. It's 34 on the bottom. It's 37, 38 on the back. 38 near the camera actually. And it's 34 on the bottom. Next, let's play PUBG. By default, it comes in smooth graphic settings and medium frame rate. We can go up to balanced graphics and medium frame rate. Now we'll play in that, and later we'll switch to smooth graphics and high frame rate. First, let's play in balanced graphic settings and medium frame rate. There is slight jitteriness while playing the game, and as you can see there is minimal lag. Well, the visuals don't look great, they are pretty good. But let's change the graphic settings and see how it looks in smooth graphic settings and high frame rate. As always, the colors faded and it looks dull. Let me deal with this enemy first. So as I was saying, the colors look faded and dull, but the controls are pretty smooth and the jitteriness definitely reduced, but it's not totally gone. So it's been 11 minutes since we have been playing the game, and let's check the temperature. On the front it's 37 degrees, and on the bottom it is 34 degrees. On the back it is 38 degrees. It's fluctuating from 36 to 38. And on the bottom it is 33 degrees. So because of the plastic body, the phone doesn't feel hot at all, and that's pretty great for 30 minutes of gaming. So overall it's been